Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to add a multi-family property in TenantCloud. To get started from the dashboard, go over to the Properties tab on the left side menu. From here, you'll have the option to add a property in two different ways. The first way is to import a property. You can do this by downloading the import file template and add all of the relevant information to the property and then upload it into the system. Alternatively, you can go over here and click on Add Property. When you click Add Property, it's going to ask you to enter in all of the information manually, such as the property name, the year built, the address, the city, the state, the zip, the country. We'll select that it's a multi-unit type, which is going to then create a field here where you can add in unit information. And with the individual units, you can add another unit as many times as you want. Or once you have entered in the information for any given unit, such as a studio, one bathroom, you can also hit the clone button. And when you clone it, it's going to copy the information into the additional units. So for instance, if you have a multifamily unit property that has 10 studios that are all the same type, you can enter the information once and simply hit clone 9 more times, and it's going to add each of those units into the system. If your numbering system is different, you can simply modify the unit numbers there. Next, you can add the property amenities or add custom amenities, and you can add property attachments such as warranty information, insurance documents, mortgage information, etc. So we're going to go ahead and enter in all of the information right now. Now that all the information is entered in and you've uploaded the main property photo and any gallery photos that you want to add as well, and you have set the currency for your country, you can scroll down all the way to the bottom and select Create. Well done. You have added your first multifamily property in TenantCloud. From here, you can move in an existing tenant that already has a lease, or you can list the property and syndicate it through our network to find additional tenants for your rental property, such as apartments.com, Zillow, and many others, or you can simply create another property. If you want to go back into the property that you just created, you can add additional units, you can edit the property, and you can assign team members to this property. For instance, if you have any leasing agents, assistant managers, property managers, or maintenance techs that are specifically responsible for this property, you can assign them here. And that is how easy it is to add a multifamily property into the TenantCloud system. To get started for free today, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.